Welcome to Exam 360 Academy. So today we are going to continue our session of answer writing. So today, first question we will see. Discuss the significance of Deccan Plateau. So here a question how to write the answer. You see, first about the Deccan Plateau, first introduction should be about your Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Then your main body should be about your significance. What are the significances of this Deccan Plateau? Of Deccan Plateau. Then about your conclusion. Okay, so let us start our answer. So see here. First, Deccan Plateau is a huge plateau in southern or southern India, which lies between the western and eastern Ghats. This is your Deccan Plateau, right? Suppose this is your peninsular India. This is a peninsular India. Peninsular India, and this is your like this. So here lies your Deccan Plateau. Here lies your Deccan Plateau. Right? So this is your Deccan Plateau, and above there is a Narmada River. Narmada River, and this side you have Western Ghats, this side you have Eastern Ghats. These are Western Ghats, Western Ghats, and these are your Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats, these are, right? These are your Western Ghats and these are your Eastern Ghats. So in between your Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats lies your Deccan Plateau. And how this Deccan Plateau is formed? Plateau region generally, when Indian Peninsula or Indian Plate, generally Indian Plate was moving over reunion hotspot, then your Deccan Plateau was formed. Okay, so this is one of the things. Then what is the significance? See, this Deccan Plateau is triangular landmass of southern to the south of the Narmada River. So what is the significance of this? This is the introduction part. What is the significance? You see, as Deccan Plateau, there is a minerals and precious stones abound in the Deccan level. Very precious minerals are found. What kind of minerals which are found here? Coal, iron ore, zinc, okay, etc. These are the some of the minerals which are found. Even in the Deccan Plateau is also significant. From which point of view? From your uranium, okay, uranium, like recently which has been discovered in your Telangana Plateau. This your Anantapur belt. Okay, so this is your one thing. Then also numerous kings, especially those numerous Mars kings, especially Maurya, Gupta, brought, they fought for this, they fought for the level of mineral wealth. They fought for the level of mineral wealth even in this belt. That is a significant here. Coal, iron, metal, chromite, mica, among the significant minerals identified here. and this belt is low precipitation, low precipitation, low precipitation, and because of which you see why this is low precipitation is this is mainly, as you look at here India map here, if you look at here as these western ghats, okay, so southwest monsoons as they enter, southwest monsoons as they enter, you know, these areas are in the rain shadow regions, rain shadow region. So because of which the amount of rainfall, precipitation is less. So they have to depend upon, if this is less, generally they have to depend upon your irrigation system. Irrigation system. Tank irrigation, canal irrigation, okay, tube well irrigation, tank, canal, tube well irrigation, etc., right? So these are the one of the things. So difficult until water system was introduced. That is what your irrigation system that was introduced. Then rice is important crop in high precipitation areas, and most of them, and in the low, and you know, sorghum is your crop which is in the low precipitation area. So this is your high precipitation and the other is your low precipitation. Clear? Cotton, you know, there are plenty availability of the black soil, black or rigor soil. So because of which what will happen, it is highly, cotton, tobacco, oilseed, sugar, 6 are examples of massive crops. Even mills like a sugarcane industry which has been moved from the north to south, which are migrating, then sugar, foodstuff, cotton, tobacco, and textile mills which are going to come in Warangal, and industries which are located in and Hyderabad, Warangal and Kurnool. So these are the some of the significance of your Deccan Plateau. Then what is the conclusion? See, conclusion is simple. The Deccan Plateau is known as a peninsular plateau and huge plateau of India that comprises majority of the country's southern region. That's it. Okay. So these are the some of the things that we can write about your Deccan Plateau. So let us move to the next question. Discuss the silent features of Deccan Trap. Now what is Deccan Trap first? So how to write this answer is simply, first I will write about the what is in introduction. Introduction, I will write about what is Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap is what? What is Deccan Trap? Second, in the main body, significance of it, from significance from various aspects, like from the economical aspects, from geographical aspects, political aspects. From this point of view, I will write the significance of it. Then in the conclusion, from the above, I can draw the conclusion. So let us begin our answer. See, what is Deccan Trap? Deccan Trap is a thick sequence of basaltic lava flow cover few thousands of square kilometer in peninsular region. Generally, you know, if you look at these map, the interior of the earth, okay, if you look at the interior of the earth like this, interior of the earth, you have inner core. This is your inner core, and this is your outer core, okay, outer core. So in the outer core, generally outer core is made up of liquid. Why? Because of the radioactive elements which are formed. Radioactive elements, right? So if the lava is flowing onto the crust from the deeper parts of the earth interior, then that magma which is flowing like this, magma which is flowing from the deeper part, then we say they are rich in minerals. And this is nothing but, we can say that these areas, such type of things, phenomena are called related with hot spots. Okay, hot spots. Kabatti, the Deccan lava, the basaltic lava. So here comes your basaltic lava. This is your basaltic lava. So this basaltic lava, when it flows, generally they are spreading. So from where to where we have in India, the Deccan trap is like this. The Deccan trap is here in this way. So here, from here to here, you have your Deccan trap. This is your Deccan trap. Ee area anta kuda Deccan trap antaru. Okay, ee area anta kuda Deccan trap antaru. Right, clear? So there are few thousand square kilometers in the peninsular India. That is your one thing. Then you see, what is the silent features of it? It is frequently referred to as a rigger soil or a black dirt due to the high clay content. So they are sticky when wet and therefore challenging to plow. They develop in semi-arid regions. They are coated with basalt. The soil is utmost devoted to humus and is black due to the presence of titanium salt in lava that makes Deccan trap. So this is one thing. Then also the constructions of trap is very constant and regular. They are layered and strata. And from economic point of view, if I talk about this, they have huge potential of natural resources like oil and natural gas, uranium, lithium, okay, then potential groundwater resources. So these are the silent features, significance, right? Significance of your Deccan trap. Then Deccan trap can provide crucial resources for economic and global trade prospects. Enough. That is a conclusion. Enough. That is more than enough from the exam point of view.